Simon O'Kelly, owner and senior broker here at Finance for Living, and Ainsley, our senior broker here at Finance for Living as well. We've just ticked over 10 years since we started the business, which is pretty cool, and a lot's happened in the last 12 months. So we've decided that every month we're going to have a bit of an update on what's happening in the market, because we're getting a lot of questions for good reason at the moment. So Ainsley's going to go through some of those key questions and fire them at me.
Okay, are you ready?
Ready to go.
All right, brilliant. So could you talk us through what you think is happening with interest rates in the next 12 months?
Yeah, so we're getting asked this question all the time at the moment. And I guess our main answer is we don't have a crystal ball, so we don't know exactly what is happening with rates. What we do know is the Reserve Bank's put up the rates a lot in the last year. Personally, I don't think they'll move much more, but that's just a personal thought. Maybe they do. But none of us actually know.
And with all the interest rate rises that we've had in the past 12 months, servicing capacity has obviously decreased. So can I refinance?
Maybe is the answer, but so borrowing capacities have dropped a lot. Whether it's 40%, it depends on the individual circumstances. But there's a lot of different lenders that we have access to. So sometimes it may not be one of the big four banks, but it could be another lender. Sometimes it works if we reduce credit cards. Sometimes it works if we push the loan back to 30 years. There's a lot of different ways that we can make it work in plenty of situations.
All right, another question we're getting a lot of is, are people fixing? Is it worth fixing at the moment?
We're having, plenty of people fix. Yeah, spot on, eh? So plenty of people are fixing, but what we say to people is, you're not trying to beat the bank. So you'd love to know, should I fix because maybe rates are going to go up and then I'll save money, but it's very hard to beat the bank with these things. So the general reasons to fix, if it helps with budgeting, or a bit of an insurance policy, if it means it gives you peace of mind, then they are generally good reasons to fix. But try to do better than the bank, well, that's hard to know. But we are getting a lot of people fixing.
What about people buying owner-occupied properties in the current market?
Yeah, so there's certainly more nerves. Absolutely, there's more nerves. Sometimes borrowing capacities have dropped, so some people are looking, one suburb further out or one town further away. That is happening, but we're certainly seeing people buy. The big thing is getting the approval, and what is the dream? We always ask, what is the dream? Can we help get people into their dream home? So you can't change the market, but our role is to see if we can get someone a loan. So we're certainly seeing people buy.
And investment property as well?
Yeah, so the big change, especially through the pandemic, and what's continued following, is with investors, we're getting people investing near where they live, but we're getting more people investing around Australia. So we've got more and more customers with properties right around the country now in areas that may be delivering better returns, and people can certainly ask us about that. So plenty of investors as well.
Brilliant, thank you. That should do it for this month.
First one of the month. Hopefully that went okay. Give us feedback if you've got any feedback. But yeah, we want to keep some updates coming. Thanks, guys.